What's up, everybody? Mountain Grill 406. Going to show you really quick here what I feed my ducks. So I start out with this Purina duck pellet. So that's for the ducks. It's Purina. And then I also mix in this payback corn. And that's like cracked corn right there. And then pellets like that. And then when I mix it together, put that in there. So, I just mix it in a bag, mix it 50-50, just about, and that's what I'm feeding the ducks. And the goose gets some too. You guys have a nice day.